code. Okay, so what we want to do right here is see how you can use an intent to link two activities. And you can always do this for more than two activities, but this demo here, we will do it for two activities. So you just need to open new project right here. Just click that. As usual, be sure to pick empty views activity right there. Okay. And you click next. And right here, you can give a name to your application. Okay. I'll call it intent app. There you go. Intent app, and we'll keep most of the things by default. And let me just bring this back. There it is. So just load, just give it time to load. You always just watch around here and around here. Around here. Just let it load. Usually this pretty much depends on the strength of your computer. If it is strong, this will take place much faster. If it is not very strong, it may take a bit of time. So there appears to be some issues with my environment for now, but most of these things have to do with some updates not done. Okay, so if you see them, just check around this area, and you may find a link which you need to click so that the updates can be made. I'm going to try again. Let me just try again. You may see some processing here. Okay. It's trying to build again. Just give it time. Let's see. Give it some time. Some progress here.
And when you are breathing, you breathe in the direction of like this. Yeah. And that will make us move faster. Sound the papa, but now we look at playing off of now, what we have to be thinking of the one. I think
Okay, so nearly there. So looks like it's good to go now. Our files are intact. There they are. Resources, layout, blah, blah, blah. So, you know, we have our activity here. All right. So I'll remove this. I've removed that. So we have the first activity here. We will put a single button, okay, this way. Just drop a button there. Okay. Then I'll do this, do this, and do this over here. And then I'll click here, and there will be 100, and then there will be 120, and then I will have I can change this to next. Next. Okay. So we have a button. This button will link us to the next activity. So let's add this second activity. Okay. We have one. Let's add another one. So we will do click here, file, new, and activity, and you come to empty views activity. So basically we are adding another activity over there. Okay, so you click that, click finish, and our job is very simple. All we need to do is click that button and get to this other activity. Okay, so simple. So let's go. We need to declare this button here. So we go to the ID property, which is button. So we do this as declared, import the class, and then over here you initialize. So we have button equals find view by that. So you do .id. Oops. Button. Okay. So it is created. So we want to click it so that it loads the new activity. So what you need is a click listener for it. Set on click listener, new view, and then now we have intent. So here is what this is the most interesting part. Use an intent to load the next activity. This is what we were studying. So what we are creating here is an explicit intent. So you create it this way, and you say name intent, and then here you have the get application context, and then you now call this class, okay? Main activity 2.class. Main activity 2.class. Okay, something like that. Alt enter. And then here now, you can start activity. And then in here, you put what? Intent. So really simple. Intent created, and its job, the job of this one is to start another activity. So we may execute it.
Like that.
So let's hit load. Let's see.
Are you humble? Are you humble? Are you humble? I don't want to say the list. Are you humble? The big one.
Okay, so let's see what we have here. There we go.
So, the professor came and shouted. At the middle of them, right here. So what is that? They are professor.
Loading, taking sweet time. Just wait, we be patient. Of course, if you have a really powerful computer, this waiting would be much shorter. But let's see.
That is the one behind it.
Taking really a lot of time.
You're not like me.
Excuse sir.
Yes.
The speed, is it dependent on the computer memory or the processor?
Exactly, both of them, the memory, the random access memory, as well as the processor.
Processor.
Yeah. And don't forget, you always have the option of using your phone also to run it. I think I showed you that before. So if this one is overstaying, the phone should also be handy. I'm actually surprised mine is really staying. Yeah. Yeah. Tease is saying mostly the processor. So my device didn't load up. Interesting. Let's try again. There we go. So this is good. So all we need to do is to click that button there and get the next activity, okay? That is an intent at work for us. Allow me to introduce an interface on that second activity, something that we can use to display some information. In this case, I want to put an M-Pesa menu. You guys know how it looks like. So I will open this and put some code here that I'd prepared earlier on in the interest of also showing you how to use the coding part of this interface. So I will put a list view. A list view should be good. Oops. Put there. And with this, you can see there's a list view right here. Yes, this it is hidden. Let's just drag stuff sideways and improve it a bit. There's a list view right there. And then I would also want to create M-Pesa menu right here. Okay. Over there, I'll put them in an array. We need to import that list view class. And then down here, I will initialize that list view. After that, I will create what is called array adapter. Array adapter is what we need to link the array. It is another class you need to import to link the array to the list view. We have a list view up here. So to link this list view to this data in the array, this M-Pesa menu, you need a what? Array adapter. Okay. So with this array adapter, we are good to go. We can pretty much do this and have that one there. And we are good. So right here is just a display, okay? But over here, this is how you refer to the list view within the program, right? So just do androidx.appcompact.r.layout, and then the list view is here. It's called support simple spinner drop down item. That's all you need. Let's have a look at how that appears. There we go. So when we hit this button, we have a nice M-Pesa menu over there. There it is. Okay. So if you go back, we have our button. You click next. The second activity now has M-Pesa menu. So the most important thing for you now is to make sure you get to do that. And then I will post some work for you on WhatsApp on how to proceed from here. Good. So done. And now we can stop recording and give you some time to practice. You know, we just need to make sure that you have the first activity right here with the single button, and then the second activity with the M-Pesa menu. Great. We can stop recording this and now give you time to try on your own.